So hey everyone, finally Vivo has entered the foldable smartphone market and today I have brought you the live image of the Vivo X Fold. But before that, Vivo is planning to announce this gadget at an event in China in a few days, and this folding phone has some intriguing specifications and functions. Meanwhile, a snapshot of the marketing stand for offline retailers has been leaked, disclosing several of the phone's specifications. In the process, take a look. Following that, here is the live image of the Vivo X Fold with its unique back design and the large display. In comparison to the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which has a 7.6 inches inner screen and 6.2 inches cover screen, the Vivo X Fold is confirmed to have an 8 inches 2K internal folding screen with 120Hz refresh rate and LTPO 3.0 technology for adjusting side refresh rate, as well as a 6.53 inches Full HD plus 120Hz cover display. Without a doubt, the Vivo X Fold is the largest folding phone to date. The icing on the cake is that this gadget will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. As we all know, this mobile platform high-end SoC is destroying the market. Every high-end smartphone is coming with it. Even this year, Samsung picked the 8 Gen 1 over its own Exynos CPU in many markets. The back camera module has a quad rear camera array with Z's branding and T-coating, as well as a 50 megapixel Samsung GN5 primary sensor with OIS. The remaining cameras are a 48 megapixel ultra wide with a 114-degree field of view, a 12 megapixel portrait lens which we interpret as a 2x zoom, and a 5 megapixel 5x OIS periscope camera. According to the materials, the X Fold screen has equaled or beaten 19 DisplayMate's A+ records, and the hinge has been certified by TÜV Rheinland to function for 3 million folds and unfolds. The Vivo X Fold will be released first in China, as you can obviously guess from the fact that this is entirely in Chinese. Unlike the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold and Oppo Find N, we hope it make it to global market at some point, but don't hold your breath. Chinese companies appears to be spending heavily on foldables but solely for their domestic market for reasons we don't understand. This is unfortunately because it means there is far less competition in this market worldwide than there could be. So what do you think about this Vivo X Fold? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.